Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to fix the ADB issue for the Android emulator. I've already downloaded Android Studio, already added it to the pad, but seems like it's not working. If I type ADB, it says command not found. So I'll go ahead and just to double check my Z profile, type sudo nano Z profile. Enter my password. Okay. As you can see, I've already added it, but it's saying that it's not found. So it seems like I have to add it into a different profile. Exit from here. So the next thing, I'll go ahead and open up the Android Studio. And more action SDK manager. Just copy this path, this location. Just close that out. Okay. The next thing will be open up this profile, sudo nano open /c. Okay, I've already copied all the information that I need to fix this issue. I'm just gonna copy it, but I will add it in the description box below for you to use to make it easier. So I've already the part that I copied from the Android Studio. This is the part. So you have to replace that with your part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and exit from here. Then say yes. Then hit enter. Then close out the terminal. And go ahead and open it again. Just to refresh it. Just make this a little bit bigger. So if I go ahead and type ADB, everything is working now. So that's it. Just to fix the ADB issue on Android Studio. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Thank you. See you next time.